What are digital note-taking systems?
Digital note-taking systems are software tools that help you capture, organize, and search your notes and ideas. These platforms often work across devices, letting you access notes anytime, anywhere. They're designed to be more than just digital notebooks. They offer structures and features to make note management efficient and tailored to your workflow.
How notes are captured and stored?
You can quickly type, handwrite, dictate, or even take photos of your notes within the app. The content is then stored in a digital database, often saved securely in the cloud. This means your information is protected from device loss, easily retrievable, and updated in real time across all your devices for maximum convenience.
Organizing notes with tags, folders, and links.
Digital note-taking systems help you organize ideas using features like tags, notebooks, folders, and internal links. Tags let you label notes with keywords, while folders or notebooks keep topics separate. Internal links connect related notes, making it easy to navigate complex ideas and find what you need quickly.
Powerful search and retrieval.
Most platforms include robust search tools. You can search by keywords, dates, tags, or even phrases inside scanned documents or handwritten notes. This makes retrieving information much faster than flipping through paper notebooks. Some systems even use smart suggestions, surfacing related notes as you type.
Sync, collaboration, and integration.
Digital note-taking platforms often sync across devices and support sharing with others for teamwork. You can collaborate on notes in real time, make comments, or assign tasks. Integrations with calendars, to-do lists, and communication tools further streamline your workflow, helping you organize and act on ideas effortlessly.